Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you the quicker way to get to the floating island in the distance called Sunreach, which has one of two ways that you can reach it. The legitimate way requires you to play through the bulk of the game, level up your characters, go to the southernmost large island, and defeat the boss in the tower there, and on the roof you will find a teleporter that takes you up to Sunreach. Now, that's kind of the dull way to do it, because who doesn't love sneaking up to where they're not supposed to be? So for everybody else, all you have to do is go underneath of these floating islands. I have the coordinates of -472 and -1445. And then here you just have to fly straight up with a pal that has enough stamina to try to get at least halfway. And then you can rest on a little ledge hidden underneath of one of the crystals, regain your stamina, and then you can get to the very top, and then from here you can go get one of the teleport points, and you can come and go as much as you want. And it's actually kind of a handy place to get access to, even though everything is massively outside of your level range, because you can go wander around collecting chests, little piles of debris, and randomly spawned pal spheres on the ground, and get yourself a bunch of different high-level spheres that will allow you to catch endgame pals, or even just pretty much anything in the game. And it'll be a lot easier because you can't really even research these pal spheres yet because you're too low a level if you are skipping here. So anyway, that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. It's a really easy guide. You just got to find the spot on the map, look up at the crystal. One of the glowing blue ones has a ledge on it. You rest on it, and then you fly the rest of the way up. So I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.